Around the world, connections are forming in real time. Transactions, trust, and technology converging across borders. At the center of this movement stands Pi WorldBank at GCV Value, a vision to redefine digital finance for.
In a world where value moves at the speed of light, finance is being rewritten. Emerging from a decentralized network of millions, Pi is forging a borderless system for everyday banking. Connections ripple across the globe, turning digital trust into real, world utility. Welcome to Pi WorldBank.
The Pi WorldBank defines the global consensus value, or GCV, of Pi. It is a recognized stable price agreed on by the community for use in real-world transactions. At this value, 1 Pi equals the same purchasing power anywhere, providing a predictable benchmark for merchants.
You may hear global banks mentioned when talking about Pi. It's not because partnerships are confirmed. It's because financial institutions around the world represent the systems Pi could connect with in the future. Imagine a secure, digital bridge linking the Pi ecosystem to traditional banking networks.
Imagine a banking system where Pi works just like traditional money. Pay a coffee shop instantly, send Pi to friends in seconds, deposit from your bank account, withdraw to cash, or exchange for local currency, all from a single secure interface. With elegant